For this video, we want to factor the trinomial x squared minus 14x plus 45. So going with the same strategy that we've been looking at, first of all, let's draw our two sets of parentheses and put an x in each of the first slots. And then we want to look at our constant term, or the number added or subtracted on at the end. The constant term is 45, and so now we want to look at the factors of 45. And this one is going to have quite a few factors, so it may be a worthy endeavor to list them out. So of course we have 1 multiplied by 45. We also have 3 multiplied by 15. Then those are two factors of 45. We have 5 multiplied by 9. And that should be all of our factors of 45. And so now what we want to do is we want to see which set of factors can be combined, either through addition or subtraction, to give us negative 14. Because negative 14 is our linear term. That's the term where the two factors are combined. And so we cannot combine 1 and 45 to get a 14. We can't combine 3 and 15 to get a 14. We almost could, but not quite. But we can combine a 5 and a 9 to give us 14. 5 plus 9 would give us 14. Or in this case, minus 5 minus 9 more is going to give us the negative 14 that we have in the original problem. So again, if you want to look at the problem this way, you already have your answer right there, x minus 5 multiplied by x minus 9. Or if you just want to write the 5 and the 9 in the place and then worry about the signs in a separate step, what you would want to do is you would want to next look at the sign of the constant term. Since it's a positive, we know we're going to have the same signs, so it's either going to be a plus plus or a minus minus. And then you just look at the linear term, or the term with the x, to determine that, the one that I've underlined in green. So since it's a negative number, that tells us that the signs have to be a minus minus, because two positive numbers can't combine to give you a negative number. And so whichever way you want to look at that, whichever one you're more comfortable with, go for it. But either way, for this problem, our answer is x minus 5 multiplied by x minus 9. And again, if you're a little bit shaky about this on a test or something, you can always just go back and multiply, FOIL out what you have, and be sure it matches what you started with.